Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Rite. We're here to do some deals for the week of the 12th through the 18th. And we've got some really good deals. Plus, we have a booster, which I know Wednesday is like halfway through the week, but I wanted to do a second haul with Walgreens yesterday and tack on some Rite Aid deals. But I got a really good Walgreens booster, so I was going to do it Thursday. And then I'm like, I don't want to wait till Thursday. There's enough deals. I think I can do a good full-size video for Rite Aid. So anyways, that's why we're here on Wednesday. But we got a booster in the ad, not on the ad, that is spend $50, get back $10 in bonus cash. Of course, you can pair that with bonus cash challenges and regular bonus cash deals. So that's always fun. Now, on iHeartRiteAid.com, she has the next like 4 weeks of ads out on her website, and we're not getting another booster until the week of the 2nd of April. I think it's the 2nd through the 8th of April. So if you're unsure about doing it this week, that's when we're getting our next booster. So that is unfortunate, but we're going to make the best of what we can this week. So I am going to be doing 2 different transactions on 2 different accounts just to maximize my savings. I don't have any other, there's no more flu coupons. I don't have any Catalina coupons. So we're just going in with just digital coupons and a few printables. So anyways, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. I will put a small Google Doc down in the description box with all of the math and everything that I used, just so you can use that so you can use it as a reference in case you would like to do that. So anyways, let's go inside and see what we can do. So the first thing we're going to grab is some Neutrogena wipes in the cosmetics section. Make sure you're grabbing them from there and not the skincare section, because these wipes in particular are buy 2, get back $6 in bonus cash. My store only had 2 left, so I'm grabbing them. That'll cost me $16.38. We have printable coupons for these. I don't think there's insert coupons, and we do have a digital coupon as well. So I'm going to use 2 $3 coupons that I got from coupons.com. That'll bring my total down to $10.38. But then I will get back $6 in extra bucks, making them $4.38 for both of them. And this is something my daughter grabs every time she comes home from school, so I'm glad to pick these up. So then now we are going to do a spend 30, get back a $10 extra, or not extra buck, I'm sorry, bonus cash. And they are on Kimberly-Clark items. So we're going to pick up 2 of the Mega Roll 12 packs for $12.99 a piece. Don't use the $2 printable coupon, because that is for super mega rolls. But anyways, I have 2 $1 printable coupons that I'm going to use. We also have digitals and the coupons.com app that we can use. Next, we're going to grab some Poise pads or liners. They're buy one, get one 50% off, and they are included. I'm going to pick up one of these for $6.29. That's going to make our total for the 3 products $32.27. I have the 2 printable coupons from the Cottonelle website. If you haven't printed those yet, go ahead and print those out. They're still available. Then I'm going to use a $2 load to card coupon for the Poise pads. That's going to bring my total down to $28.27, but then we'll get back $10 in bonus cash. I'm also going to submit my receipt to Ibotta, and I'm going to get back $2 for those Poise pads. Then I'm also going to get back bonus cash. I'm going to get back $4.80 for spending $19 in Cottonelle products, but when I get that back, they will give me back $5 and not $4.80. That'll make my final total for the 3 products $11.27, but we have that booster of spend 50, get back an additional $10. So I'm going to grab the Clorox wipes. They are priced at $2.99. No bonus cash back, but we have a 2 off 2 printable coupon. There's also a 2 off 2 digital coupon that you can use. So that is going to make these $5.98 for both of them. Use the 2 off 2, making them $3.98 for 2 packages of wipes, and including the Neutrogena wipes and the Clorox wipes, plus the spend 30, get 10, I am over the $50 mark. But then I realized I hadn't gotten these yet on this account, so I picked up 2 of these. This is considered a monthly deal, but it's only a limit of 2. So those are $3.79 a piece. You will get back $2 in bonus cash for each one that you buy. So I am going to put these back. I might pick them up in another transaction, but it's a very good filler item. So next we're going to do on a different account, we're going to do another spend 30, get 10. But this promotion is for P&G products. It's a separate promotion than the Kimberly-Clark products. Also, these promotions are a limit of 2 per account. So with the P&G products, I'm going to pick up the Tide, this Big Daddy one for $21.99, but I'm going to max this out in one transaction, and I'm spending $60 in products. So next we're going to grab 2 of the Downy liquids. These are priced at $10.99. I will show you the coupons and everything that I am using after I pick up all the products. So then I am going to go grab some Gain Flings. The Gain Flings are priced at $10.99. There was a little mishap with these Gain Flings. I will talk about that at the end of the video, but I did have a $3 digital coupon for that. And then I'm going to grab some Febreze. I saw this on Jody's channel. I could not believe this Febreze was on sale for $3.99. My store only had 1. I wanted 2 of them. So we're going to grab another of the air fresheners, also priced at $3.99. Not sure if the buy one get one free coupon would work on the more premium type of Febreze air fresheners, or if it just works for the Febreze Air Effects. So that is everything that I am grabbing, and it will equal out to $62.94. We have a $3 digital that we're going to use for the Tide liquid. We have a $2 digital that we're going to use for the Downy liquid. Then I have a $2 printable that I got from the P&G website. I also have a $3 insert coupon for the Febreze. That comes from the 3-5 Save insert. And I did have a $3 digital for the Gain, and now we're going to go check out, but I had an issue with this transaction. So when I checked out, I only got back $20 in bonus cash, and I couldn't figure out why at first. Of course, I looked at my receipt, and it shows the tracking down at the bottom of the receipt. So I was doing some math and trying to figure out how I missed getting to $30 a second time for the P&G promotion, because I was $8.05 off. So what I did is I noticed that the Gain Flings actually rang up full price for $17.49. I thought, that's funny, they were only $14.49 on the shelf. Well, they were in the wrong spot. So I took the Flings back into the store, and I took my receipt in the store, and I said, I made a mistake. I need to get a refund on these Flings. I said, I didn't notice they were in the wrong spot, so I didn't, get the $10 back in bonus cash for the promotion. So what the lady did is she gave me a refund for the Gain Flings. And so then I just needed to get something that was included in the promotion that was $8.05. So I went back. Like, as you can see here, the Gain Flings are now in the right spot. But I grabbed one of these big softeners for $10.99. I, of course, would have preferred the Flings. And here is my return receipt. So I had a $2 digital that I used on these. All right, guys, so we are back in from Rite, and I made a mistake. The store made a mistake. So I take it as partly my fault for not being a super diligent couponer. So this always happens to me. I swear it does. So something like this will happen, and then I will be extra diligent about looking at tags and making sure I have the correct products, and then I'll kind of back off a little bit, and then it happens again. So what happened was those Gain Flings that I grabbed, which I did show you at the end of the video, I grabbed the wrong item. So the Gain Flings, those were in the wrong spot. I thought that was too good to be true when I picked them up, that they were marked down to $10.99. So what I did is I realized that I didn't get the $10 in bonus cash for the second time of doing the spend 30 get 10 for the P&G items. So what I did is I took the flings back in the store and I got a refund. So the flings were full price. They were $17.49. So they refunded me that back plus the tax in bonus cash. I was hoping I would get the real cash for it, but it's fine. I got back like $18 and some change in bonus cash sent to my account. So then what I did is I just went and I grabbed that fabric softener for the Gain, got that instead. And then I got the $10 in bonus cash. So the only thing that, you know, was the fault of the store was maybe having all those flings there in that spot. But I didn't go in there and, like, you know, want my bonus cash. I just wanted to refund them, get the right item, and be on my way. So that's basically what happened. So the first transaction I did was with the Cottonelle. Now this was a little bit more expensive for me because I didn't have any additional coupons, but that's totally fine. This is all really great stuff that we'll use. So in that transaction, I got the Neutrogena, the Cottonelle, the Poise, and then the Nivea lip dillies. So that was a really good transaction. So I had the $3 come off for both of the Neutrogenas. My dollar coupons came off totally fine. And then the $2 load to card coupon came off for the Poise. So my total was $46.23. I got back $30 in bonus cash. So I got back 10 for the Cottonelle and 10 for the booster. And then I got back 6 for the Neutrogena and 4 for the Nivea. That equals out to $30. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and got back $2 for the Poise pads because the ones I picked up were only $2 back, not $3 back. Then I'll get the bonus cash challenge for $4.80. They will just round it up to $5. So I will get back $5 for spending $19 on Cottonelle products. So that makes my transaction $9.23, which if I had like a 9 off of 45 or a 10 off of 50, that would be really great. But I hardly ever get Catalinas, except that one time where I had like 3 in one day. I hardly ever get Catalinas. I don't get things sent to my email. I don't get things in the mail. Believe me, I'm all signed up for that. So it'll come when it comes. But right now, I'm fine with spending $9.23 on those items because that is a lot of Cottonelle. That is a lot of Cottonelle. So I'm fine with that. I'm happy with that. So then my next transaction was the P&Gs, the P&G deal, and it's spend 30, get 10, and you can do it twice. So I just maxed it out, well, tried to, in that transaction. So altogether, I'm just going to give you the math for it all together instead of separately with the exchange and all that. That's just, no, we're not going to do that. So for this transaction, I have the 2 Febreze items. I have the Downy softener. I have 2 of those. I have the Tide liquid, and then I have the Gain liquid. So my total after coupons was $47.94. I got back $30 in bonus cash. 10 for doing the P&G deal twice, so 10 for each one of those, and then 10 for the booster. I'll also get back $10 for submitting to the P&G rebate for the spring fabric rebate. So I'm doing with the Tide and then the Bounty. So you have to have a soap and a fabric softener in that rebate. Now I didn't hit any bonus cash challenges. Now I hit the second tier in the bonus cash challenge because before it was just you have to spend $50 and that's it. Now it's been a few months where there's little dots throughout the counter line there. And if you spend, like mine is, if I spend $43, I'll get $8 back. If I spend $57, I'll get $14 back. So if I don't spend any more on Bounce and Tide, I would get back $8 in bonus cash. But I'm not going to count that. I'm going to count it when I get it because I just need to spend like $14 more in Tide and Bounce, and I will get that bonus cash challenge. So that brings my total down to $7.94, but I want to count in the points that I got today. So I got back 1,191 points between all of my transactions. So I times that by 0.002 and I get about $2.38 back in points that I can convert to bonus cash. And I talked about that in last week's video. So my total for everything was $14.79, which isn't terrible. It's not terrible. And I was really able to build up my bonus cash because I have a good amount on both accounts that I use. But I do want to show you something. Hold on a second. I gotta get the return receipt. When I did the return, here's the receipt that I did the return on. It shows here that they gave me back, I know that's a little blurry, $18.54 in rewards refunded. I spent like $36 in cash. It would have been nice to get the cash part of it instead, but they gave me the rewards. But they did take away some points. So the points that I earned for that 1749 gained flings, they took off 175 points, which is the amount of 1749. So I've not experienced that before, so I definitely wanted to show you guys that, but I'm not counting those points. I'm counting the points that I earned minus this. So $2.38 back, which I think is great. And I'll convert that as soon as that is loaded to my account because I like the bonus cash. So then next week, we have a spend 20, get back 5 on Tide and some Downy products. And I don't know about Bounce, but we don't have a booster, but it's a limit of 2. It is a limit of 2, but the ad is already up on the, hold on, there's a loud truck coming. The ad is actually already up, so I guess it's not really a big surprise to you, but you can look on the app and see the ad, and it's actually a good size ad next week. So, yeah, I'm gonna be rolling some of that bonus cash. So anyways, that is all I have for you today. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day and stay safe out there. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.